Hi, I'm Kevin, your pool care guide. Today I'm excited to show you how you can become a pool maintenance master with a little help from Pooli, the ultimate pool care app. So if you're a first-time pool owner or you're looking to streamline your pool maintenance scheduling, stick with me. Let's do this. Isn't this cool? So with a few quick taps, we're going to set up your pool in Pooli. You can enter an email address and then all the information will be stored securely in the cloud for you, or you can continue anonymously. We're going to do that right now. So there I am, floating in my inner tube. Make sure to enable your notifications so that Pooli can remind you of maintenance and upcoming tests. Go ahead and add a pool. Now you can add any number of pools or hot tubs. We're going to call this pool the Oasis. Enter the pool size, or you can use Pooli to measure it for you. Just get a measuring tape out and use this tool. It'll calculate it for you. I know this pool is about 30,000 gallons, so I'm going to enter that. Add a few last details, which is very important to make sure Pooli's giving you accurate recommendations. Put in the sanitization method and any supplemental sanitizers. Pooli supports every single sanitizer and every single pool type. So if you don't see anything here, definitely give us a call. Enter your zip code if you want weather reports. So here we are. Let your worries drift away. With a quick tap, we set up our first pool, and it tells you right here in the My Pool screen to add your first test. So this is where you go to enter a test. Now you can see here the default tests are added for my particular pool. Okay, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to test your water using Pooli with a simple test strip. Now, Pooli uses Hawk manufactured test strips. So if you see Hawk manufactured, this is the AquaCheck 7. So for the test strip scanner, you have to make sure you're using compatible test strips. If you look around and find on Amazon, you can get really cheap test strips like this. They can give you 20 different tests or 16 different tests. Throw that away. That's not worth getting. If you do want to get a good baseline reading, I highly recommend getting yourself a liquid test kit like that Taylor right there. And that'll give you, from the comfort of your own home, a very accurate reading so you don't have to drive a pool sample into the pool store. However, if you don't have the 15 to 30 minutes it takes to do all the drops and shake them up and wait in the time and do all that, Pooli makes this so simple. So all you have to do, and this is how to do a test strip, you take your test strip, you try to get your hand 6 inches below the water for 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Pull it back out. And now you just wait and make sure to hold it level so the reagents don't bleed together. And for cold to moderate water, you want to wait at least 30 seconds for the test reagents to fully change their color. For hotter water, like a hot tub or something using bromine, you want to dip for a little less than 2 seconds and wait much less than the 30 seconds it takes. Alright, so when the tests are ready, you grab your phone, tap scan test strip, hold the test strip up right behind like so, and then when you're ready, you just hit see results. So just like that, you added your first test, and you've got your water test report right there. It shows you the order in which to fix whatever problem you got in your water, and it'll give you all the recommended solutions. So we're going to back out of our latest water report. You can see you're brought back to the balance screen. We can add additional tests, fix water problems, or go to adding on chemicals as needed. But for now, I'm going to perform some simple maintenance. So we're going to go and let's empty our skimmer baskets. Great, now that's complete. I check it off the list. Perfect. Now let's give these walls a quick sweep. You can always go to the plus screen here and track maintenance this way. And what did I do? I brushed my walls and saved that maintenance. And that also gets removed now from your to-do list. And it's good to use Pooli to do this because it'll reschedule the next time you do those maintenance. Just by using Pooli, it creates an automated maintenance schedule and plan for you. And just like that, you were able to add your pool to Pooli, take a quick test, perform some routine maintenance, and set up your schedule for next time. It's easy, efficient, and it's exactly what every pool or spa owner needs to be ready for every occasion. So you can enjoy more pool time and less pool work. I hope to hear from you next time. Hit us up at pooli.app. Make sure to download the app today, like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you around the pool next time. Bye.